guys, so today I'm going to be doing this look inspired by Easter. I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first I'm just going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. It's the white one. I actually used a brush when I put this on the other eye and I feel like that worked a lot better. So I'm going to do that. This will just make the light pastel colors look more true to color and not so washed out. And then I'm going to take ColourPop eyeshadow in Heavenly. It's just like a really light shimmery blue. And I'm going to take a crease brush and just start running that through the crease. Really what you want to do is start out light on the edges and just kind of blend up, and then if you want a darker color, just layer it. Normally you want it to be lighter out towards the brow and then get a little bit darker as you go into the crease. So you can really build this up as light or as dark as you want. It can get darker than this, but I just am going to leave it at this because I want it to remain that pastel color. Next, I'm going to take Coastal Scents Citron, a really light shimmery yellow. I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush, and I'm putting that in the innermost corner. Next, I'm taking Rockeresque Peppermint and Gummy Bear. This is a pigment. And then I'm going to take a smaller shader brush just because this is a pigment. You have better control with a smaller brush. I'm just placing that in the middle of those two, just kind of blending them together. And I'm also going to run that on the lower lash line. And from the Face Candy Unicorn Glow palette, I'm going to take Dream. It's like a pink. And then I'm just taking my pinky finger and putting that in the inner corner. Next, for the fun part, I'm going to take that ColourPop white concealer again and a really teeny tiny little brush, and I'm going to do a winged liner. Now, not every white concealer will work for eyeliner in the way that this one does, but just make sure that you're not using a ton of product because you want it to dry before you put your eyeshadow on top of it. Otherwise it's gonna slide around. Alright, so now I'm just going to let that dry here a little bit. And I looked for so many colors that I could use for a pastel pink eyeliner, but I have so many eyeshadows, and the one color I do not have is like a pastel pink that I really like. You can see I just tested out a whole bunch of different ones, and I came up with this one from the Shany Cosmetics palette. I believe I got this on Amazon like a really long time ago, but it's actually pretty decent. Ended up mixing these two pink colors, and then I'm just taking those on a little angled liner brush. I'm just gonna pack it on top. And there we have it. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Eye Booster eyeliner in Ultra Black. This is my favorite eyeliner, as I'm sure a lot of you know. So I'm just doing a really thin line, like the most possible thin line, just so that this pink kind of stays the main focal point of the look, which is also why I didn't add false lashes, because I feel like those would really cover it up. This is probably the only eyeliner in the world where you can get this thin of a line, like, really though. Alright, and this is the last time using the white concealer. I am taking that little brush again, and I'm going to add those 3 little dots. I'm just going to add mascara really quick. I need to get better lighting, but yeah. I'm going to add blush and highlight. I'm going to use the ColourPop blush in Whirl. It's kind of like a fuchsia color. This blush really is the softest blush I've ever felt in my life. I'm going to take that highlighting palette again and use the purple shade Fantasy. That on my cheekbone. So this really did kind of turn into a rainbow eye look with the purple highlight, the blue, green, yellow, pink. I think all we're missing is red and orange. For lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline lipstick in Lilac Flush. So this is the finished look. I will definitely take pictures and show you what it looks like in person, because it definitely looks a lot different. Just because I still haven't figured out my lighting. Like, I have one lamp, so let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I really missed doing stuff like this. It's been a really long time. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Happy Easter!